Hello everyone, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my morning forecast. So today the pair for the day is BTCUSD. So BTCUSD starting from the daily time frame, I can see here that the market has dropped significantly. This is a daily chart. The market has dropped significantly to exactly at this point. Now the question that we need to ask ourselves is how is the market going to behave in the next subsequent days? Are we going to see more opportunity to the upside or we are going to see more opportunity to the downside? So in weekly time frame, I'm anticipating that there will be more sell pressure to this support. So I'm expecting more sell pressure to this support here in weekly. The question is how. So let's first focus on the daily and scale it to 4 hour and 1 hour and look for intraday trade. So in daily time frame, we can see that price has dropped significantly. So how is this significant drop explaining itself in 4 hour? Let's move on to 4 hour. So this is 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour, how many resistance do we have? We have a lot of resistance in this trend, explaining how daily has dropped significantly. Within this downtrend, where is the last resistance? This is the last 4 hour resistance within this trend. Do we have support for that? Yes, we have support that has formed because of that resistance. This is that support. That means that within 4 hour time frame, we are ranging between this 4 hour resistance and 4 hour support in daily. So after knowing the 4 hour resistance and 4 hour support, how is the behavior currently? Price is pulling back in 4 hour time frame. So this is the pullback that we are seeing. How is the pullback behaving? The pullback is in the form of a trend. From the swing perspective, price has not confirmed itself for us to look for sell opportunity, but for intraday and day trade, we can look for opportunity. So let's scale it to intraday. How are we going to scale it to intraday? We are going to understand this pullback, then we'll be looking for opportunity to the downside. So let's go to 1 hour. So this is 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour, price is explaining what the uptrend that 4 hour is using to pull back. So how is that downtrend? It's uptrend. Let's start from this support. We have this support, which has from this resistance. Price has pulled back. In 1 hour, price has used this support to form this resistance. Price has pulled back. In 1 hour, we have seen double bottom here, which has managed to break this 1 hour resistance to break this resistance and also break this resistance in 1 hour. So I've been telling you guys that if price break, we need to ask ourselves that is it true break or is it false break? We have two types of break. We have true break and false break. So this break is telling me that price has what? Price has done false break. Now, if price has break it and the break is false break, how are we going to look for opportunity to the downside? So in 1 hour time frame, this is how we are going to trade. I want price to respect this resistance here as what? As resistance. So price after breaking that resistance, it has break below and break above, and price is what has dropped to this level. So 15 minutes, price can decide to pull back to this 1 hour support. Before 1 hour will go for pullback, then we'll be looking for opportunity to the downside. Now, also the way that price can present itself for us to look for opportunity is that there will be more buy pressure here to pull back to this 1 hour resistance. Then we'll be looking for opportunity to the downside. So it's either price see buy pressure here to pull back, and when price pull back here, when it fail break it again, our last confirmation will be candle closure, and then we look for opportunity to the downside, or price will see more sell pressure to this support, then it will come for a pullback, then we'll be looking for opportunity to the downside, and then price can also what? Break this support. So this is 1 hour support, that 15 minutes is pulling back. So price can also fake break this support here, break above, break below, pull back to it. We'll be looking for opportunity to the downside. The last opportunity that price can present itself for us to look for sell is that there will be more sell pressure to the downside to this support. There will be a pullback here. Price will break. Price will come back for pullback. We'll be looking for opportunity to the downside. So now price has break below this resistance. So I'm expecting how price going to present itself after breaking this resistance to pull back to this support. Let's move on to 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes time frame. So this is 15 minutes behavior explaining how 1 hour is pulling back to this 1 hour support. So now how is 15 minutes explaining that? Let's find out. So 15 minutes is telling us that there is what? There is a downtrend. We have 15 minutes resistance which has formed this support. Price has pulled back. Price has broke this 15 minute support. So there are two ways that 15 minutes can go by it. 15 minutes can pull back here and then drop here, come back here, be looking for opportunity. This is intraday. Another way that 15 minutes can present itself is that there will be more buy pressure to the downside to retest 1 hour resistance again here in 15 minutes. Then we'll be looking for opportunity to the downside. Swing trading. So swing trading, it has not confirmed yet. Why? We'll go to 4 hour. When we go to 4 hour, so when we go to 4 hour, we can see that price has not been able to break this last 4 hour support. So the day trade and intraday is just pulling back to 4 hour support. We wait for pullback, and then in swing trading, we'll be looking for opportunity to weekly support. When price in 4 hour form this what? Inverse head and shoulder, or price can also see more sell pressure as swing. So this is swing trading. So swing trading, price can see more sell pressure by breaking this support. There can be a break here, pull back here, form double top here, or any pattern here. We'll be looking for opportunity to the downside as swing trade. So if you are looking for swing trading, it has not confirmed yet, but day trade and intraday, we are looking for opportunity to 4 hour support. So we have 4 hour support here, 4 hour resistance here. Within this what? Uptrend as a pullback. Price will pull back here before there will be what? Continuation of the uptrend, or there will be a reversal to this what? Uptrend as a pullback. So this brings us to my morning forecast. Peace out, and today I'm watching at BTC USD.